To pay your mortgage on the Chase app, start by opening the app and logging in to your account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the navigation menu and select the mortgage option. From the mortgage dashboard, select the specific mortgage account you want to make a payment on. You will then be taken to the account details page where you can view your current balance, payment due date, and other important information. Next, select the Make a Payment option and choose the payment method you want to use. You can use a Chase checking or savings account, or an external account from another bank. If you are using an external account, you will need to verify the account by entering the test deposits sent by Chase. After selecting your payment method, enter the payment amount and the payment date. You can choose to make a one-time payment, or set up a recurring payment. If you are setting up a recurring payment, you will need to specify the frequency and duration of the payments. Review your payment details carefully to ensure everything is accurate. Once you are satisfied with the payment details, select the Submit Payment option to complete the payment. You will receive a confirmation message once the payment has been processed. It is a good idea to set up payment reminders and alerts to ensure you never miss a payment. You can also view your payment history and track your progress towards paying off your mortgage. By following these steps, you can easily pay your mortgage on the Chase app and stay on top of your payments.